Hey guys, with the lines competition next week in Kiki, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the latest Camco innovation. So last year we released the prototype Ladd-a-lok. Now we've got this product up to production spec. It's been through a lot more testing and refinement. We've made it a lot simpler and a lot smoother to use. So the common problem in the industry is putting the ladders on, remembering to strap them. We've seen all sorts of different workarounds, whether it be a strap at the front that hangs down past the driver's door. We've seen wired in switches. But what we did is we set out to come up with a mechanical solution that was fail-safe. The Ladd-a-lok is a fully patented product. It's adjustable for different ladder types and lengths and integrates straight into our ladder tray. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how this works. So I'll show you it with the ladder off, and then we'll show you it with the ladder on. So if you imagine loading the ladder, the first rung comes up, grabs this point here. So that at that stage, the first rung of the ladder is locked in. Then you then slide it forward, which catches. And at the rear of the ladder, the rear catch comes up, grabs the ladder and holds it down. It's got a small adjustment here which is spring loaded, and that makes sure that the rear of the ladder is held down tight to the pads so that you don't get movement and wear while you're driving. And at the front, your ladder is held secure in this point and under the hoop. Just a quick demonstration on loading the ladder. So most ladders have got a marking where their midpoint is, so you can see the little V there on the brannock. So that's when the weight starts to transfer to the other end. All we do is drop it down at that point. The ladder's then weighted to the front, and we just push it forward. It picks up on the front rung there. Give it a good push, and it's clamped at the back. You can see there how it's held down tight at the back, and then at the front as well. So I've got the ladder loaded, clamped in with the Ladd-a-lok. So I've got plastic wear pads at the back to protect the rungs. This clamp fully encapsulates those two rungs. And it's got a plastic spring-loaded wedge here which holds the ladder down tight at the rear. And then at the front, we've got the front rung encapsulated inside a plastic wear pad again, so your rung doesn't get shredded. And then down the length of the ladder at each crossbar, we've got a big plastic pad to prevent the ladder wearing. Now to remove the ladder, you've got a pull cord here to release the catch, which is obviously easier to get to for shorter people. We just simply release it and slide the ladder back. At that point, it's free of its front holding, and you can remove it. In addition, the system is fully adjustable for all different length ladders and rung spacings. So you've got multiple adjustments down the side of the Ladd-a-lok, and you can place this clamp in the relevant position for your ladder.